Hello, I'm Daniela Mellen, artist and author here on Skillshare. Welcome to the class on creating a mixed media poinsettia. In today's class, we'll use easy-to-find art supplies to make realistic-looking poinsettias. We'll use a combination of supplies: watercolor paper, watercolor paints, colored pencils, and adhesive to achieve great results. In this class, I've broken down the steps to build layers to design our elegant flower. I've created a Pinterest board and given the link in the project section of this class, with many reference photos of poinsettias. I've included a downloadable class supply list and a downloadable poinsettia template to assist you in your process. I'll show you the step-by-step process to make a brilliant pink poinsettia from start to finish. I include tips on how to alter it to achieve unique results. I also have a bonus class for variations on our original poinsettia, so you can create other pattern and color variations using the same process that's demonstrated. And lastly, I give you a few ideas for ways to display your artwork. I hope you'll try your hand at a mixed media poinsettia and post your work in the project section of this class. Thank you for joining me.